everyone. Now, today we're learning all about the X sound, okay? And when we look at it in the nursery, we use these super cool cards, don't we? And this is how we see it. X. And when it's around this way, we say it as a bouncy sound that's X, 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 exercise. Now, it's a tricky one because it doesn't actually begin with the X sound, exercise. It has the X sound in it, okay? Because not many things begin with X. We have words that begin with X, like X-ray, and we sometimes have the X word at the beginning of words that sound completely different altogether, like it goes a silent X, like xylophone. But so when we're learning about our X sound, it's easy for us to remember it by remembering its exercise, okay? Exercise. So X, 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 exercise. And we think about the boy doing his exercise when we write out X, okay? We write X. We go down the arm and leg and repeat the other side. So down the arm and leg and repeat the other side. X. And this way, X. Now I've got a story all about X, and we have a lot of X at the end of our words. See if you can spot them and listen out for them. So we're going to be looking at a special word. I wonder if you can help me to read it. We're going to start reading out loud together, okay? So the first letter is F, and the next letter is O, O, O. So we have O, O, and then the last letter is our sound of the week, X, O, X, Ox, fox, fox. And there is our fox. Hello, fox. Ox, fox. Can you do it? Fox, fox. Ox, box. Your turn. Well done. Fox in the box. Surprise! 6, 6 in the box. Ooh, X, Lex, the fox. 6, Max. Lex, 6, Max. Lex in the box. Fix, fix the box. 6 in the box. Ox, ox, fox, box. Your turn's practice. Well done. Well, I hope you like that story all about the fox in the box. Could you hear every time there was the X sound in our words? Now, I have a very fun activity for you to do all about X. So I hope you have lots and lots of fun, and I look forward to seeing your pictures of how you got on. Have an excellent day. Bye.